I feel like we should just get this absolutely out of the way at the beginning of this one. Smash that dislike button, and this video is going to have a higher than normal dislike ratio.
Is this not what you expected to see? If you wanna find out what's behind these cold eyes, you just have to claw your way through this disguise.
Let us begin. We like to think we're so clever today, especially me, your boy, the big brain.
Sometimes my genius is... it's almost frightening.
I wanted to pull my shirt off.
Please don't part of my video.
On the road again.
Here, you're gonna have a really good question.
Can't wait to get on the road.
Why did you take your pants and your fucking shirt
My
off?
love is making music with
Hold
my
on.
friends.
You asked me why I
Can't
took my
wait to
shirt
get
off?
on the road again.
Ask me some more questions.
On the road again.
You wanna know why I took my pants off?
Going places,
Because you look gay as fuck and I think I might get fucking lucky.
seeing things that I might never see again. Well, I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
No.
Like a baby.
No, she talks to you and I talk to her. I don't give a flying
We're the
fuck.
best of
Tell her to
friends.
keep her mouth closed.
Insisting that
Tell her
the
to
world
keep
keep
her
turning
mouth
our way. And
I'm a fat puppy piece of shit.
is on the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. Drum solo! Wash and load again. I just can't wait to wash and load again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to wash and load again. And I can't wait to wash and load again.